Good afternoon, traders. Today is the 27th of September 2020, and we're going to be doing a Sunday weekly review against the next week. So basically, we're going to be looking at a few pairs, and the first pair we're going to be taking a look at is the New Zealand USD. And on the New Zealand USD, I've already drawn up some of the key levels. We can see this key level around here, and we can see this next key level here, 1, 2, 3. So this makes it a key level, and also we can see this support here and value area around here. This was a support here, and it acted as a resistance at this point, and also at this point there was some reaction here, and now the market has gone up and made a double top and has come down back to this area of support. Now on this pair, my bias is indecisive. It could go both ways, and that's just how it is in trading. So basically, on the short side, due to we there might be a reversal here due to this area being a key area. You can see this key level of support here and this key level of resistance, and market has rejected this place two times. The first time rejected and came back and formed a double top, and that has rejected. So basically, but the market hasn't reversed yet. So the market hasn't reversed until it has reversed. So um for a reversal trade, we'll be looking for this market to break beyond this level, come back to retest this level, and then we'll be looking for a short to the downside. Now this is the reversal play if it occurs. Now market could break easily, come back to retest this area, and then that will be a better place for us to take a short to the downside. Now, but market has to break this area and hold below this area for some time before we can be sure that this market is reversing. But until then, my bias on this market is still very bullish, and market came to this area and has rejected this area. So if we go down to the lower time frame, we can see that market has come back to this previous area of support, and when market comes back to the previous area of support and it holds in that area, that's a very strong sign that there could be a continuation back to the upside. So basically, next week I'm looking for markets to hold around this area, and then I'm looking for a bullish sign to buy into this market. Already we can see that market has rejected from this area. So we've already seen that there's some people who believe that this is a dip and this is a buying opportunity. So basically, we're just looking to see a little bit more confirmation around this area, and then we're looking to take advantage of this trade. So this is what we have on the New Zealand USD. Then on the Euro USD, which is the second currency pair that has been interesting to us. You can see on Euro USD that price was able to break this area of support. Now, price was consolidating in this area since August 3rd. It has been going up, so there's been sellers and buyers around this area. Not forgetting the fact that price made an impulsive move to the upside. So on the daily, we can see that this market consolidated for a long time, and this is the first break of this consolidation since August. So basically, my bias to this market is bearish, and if you go to the lower time frame, like the 1 hour, you can see what I've been able to draw up. This is a key level of resistance on the hourly here. Market came to this area and stayed in this area and didn't go above here and broke to the downside. So basically, I'm looking to see a push around this value area in the early moments of next week, either around this value area, or should push to around this area to retest the previous structure. Then we might be looking for a short to the downside. But basically, right now it's just all about waiting. So we just want to see it go up and then come down. And fundamentally, we can see that there's a lot of strength coming into the US dollar. So we could probably see a reversal on this pair. Even if you don't see a full reversal, but we should be able to get a few pips around here to the downside. So we'll just keep watching. But these are the two pairs which are of interest to us.